Hey, good morning my friends. Welcome to my new vlog. I hope you all are doing well. My name is Shafiq. I am from Jaipur. तो आज हम हैं Castaway Cay, which is the Disney's private island, and we have just docked now. It's almost 7 o'clock in the morning, and the views like this. Look at the sunrise on the island. Yeah, look at that. Oh. So guys, to get more videos and updates like this, please subscribe my YouTube channel and also follow me on Instagram and Facebook if you are not done yet. Alright, well then I see you then. See you then. Take care.